we're going to move on to the next demonstration, which is how you orient speakers in a vehicle. This is another area where I've heard a lot of people, have a lot of opinions, and once again, there's no right or wrong here. We're going to let you make your own opinions. I'll probably voice mine, but once again, there is no right or wrong. So I'm going to move this big heavy box out of the way, and we're going to put the CVT downfiring 10-inch enclosure, actually the downfiring 12s. We're going to use those for this demonstration because those are right off the shelf sealed enclosures. So once again, we're not looking at the overall frequency response. We're just looking at output and how it affects the way the speakers are. And this one's going to be fun because we're going to continuously play these. I'm not going to shut them off in between when I move it, so you can see that nothing has changed. All right. Let's go back over to the computer. And guys, I'm not worried about the RTA, the frequency response. We're just worried about output now. We've already done that with the other enclosures. So let's go ahead and start this at 39 hertz. And where are we at? We're at 94 dB. So we've got two woofers side by side, 94 dB in output. So what do you think is going to happen when I slide the speakers apart? Any guesses? Let's see what people think. Are we going to go up or down in SPL if I slide the speakers apart, or is it going to stay the same? Guys are having so much fun talking to each other. All right, well, since no one's going to guess, no one wants to be caught up on the web, coming up with the wrong answer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to slide these boxes apart, maybe put out about 1.5 feet between them. What happened to the output? It went down a dB. Any guess as to why that went down in output? I didn't touch anything up here, didn't change the output, but I lost a dB of output. The reason for that is mutual coupling. By having the speakers closer together, they work more as one solid unit. You get a little bit more output. There again, the whole reason why we did the L7s, because you get better mutual coupling. That's the other reason for putting the port on the front of ported enclosures. You get better mutual coupling with the drivers for a much smoother and actually quite a bit more output, especially with the ported enclosure.